Storm.
Storm.
A storm is coming. Stay indoors.
A storm is coming. Stay indoors.
Story.
Story.
She told me a funny story.
She told me a funny story.
Stove.
Stove.
She cooked dinner on the stove.
She cooked dinner on the stove.
Straight.
Straight.
Draw a straight line across the page.
Draw a straight line across the page.
Strange.
Strange.
The noise sounded strange.
The noise sounded strange.
Stranger.
Stranger.
Be careful when talking to strangers.
Be careful when talking to strangers.
Straw.
Straw.
The farmer used straw to feed the cows.
The farmer used straw to feed the cows.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
I love eating fresh strawberries.
I love eating fresh strawberries.
Stream.
Stream.
The children played by the stream.
The children played by the stream.
Street.
Street.
The parade marched down the main street.
The parade marched down the main street.
Stress.
Stress.
Too much stress can harm your health.
Too much stress can harm your health.
Strike.
Strike.
The workers went on strike for better pay.
The workers went on strike for better pay.
Strong.
Strong.
He is a strong athlete.
He is a strong athlete.
Student.
Student.
The student studied hard for the exam.
The student studied hard for the exam.
Study.
Study.
She studies every night to improve her grades.
She studies every night to improve her grades.
Stupid.
Stupid.
It's stupid to make fun of others.
It's stupid to make fun of others.
Style.
Style.
Her style of writing is unique.
Her style of writing is unique.
Subject.
Subject.
Math is my favorite subject.
Math is my favorite subject.
Subtract.
Subtract.
Subtract 5 from 10 to get 5.
Subtract 5 from 10 to get 5.
Subway.
Subway.
We took the subway to get to the city center.
We took the subway to get to the city center.